Hey everyone, if you're looking for a backpack to carry a lot of equipment with you, come on down and take a look at this Jasper Halfpack by ProMaster. It is a large backpack but has a number of really neat features. Like it has these hook and ladder enclosures, so it's nice and quiet when you're opening up your bag. You have a zippered upper pocket that's large enough to carry some big accessories or a jacket or maybe even some lunch if you're going to be out shooting all day. There's an accessory pocket in the front, side pockets for water bottles or lenses, and the nice thing about this half pack is that you can get to your equipment through the back, so it's less likely that someone's going to snatch some of your stuff from you. Also, if you're outside and you're laying it down in the dirt, the side that you're sending it on the ground isn't the side that's touching you. So the back compartment is large enough to carry a lot of lenses and camera bodies. Everything's adjustable and well padded. There is also a strap on the bottom to hook your tripod to. We have a luggage strap and a carrying handle. So really they thought of everything that you would ever need. So if you're in the market for a backpack, we have many choices, but this is one of our favorites. Come on down and take a look.